when we were given this project, we were asked to talk or design something regarding social networking. So social networking, what do we do in social networking? We game, we stay in contact, business applications, educational applications. That's basically the broad idea of what we do in social networking. So from this myriad of applications, we actually chose business applications. In business applications, now that we were decided on the idea of what we were trying to do, in business applications, what do? We started looking at stuff from the client's point of view. Applications that incite customers, that appeal to customers, that can make customers' life very simple. We looked at so many ideas, but we couldn't even come up with one for whom a mind-blowing, fully functional app was not actually already designed. So we start thinking in the opposite direction. Now let's think at it from the business point of view. Let's try to make some application for the businessman, something that makes the life of a businessman easy, not solely on the customer's point of view. The future is mobile, as everyone knows. That's why most of the people here in this class know that. That's why taking this class. We have e-cards, we have normal business cards, but we don't have mobile business cards. So that's what the app is about. We have a mobile business card. Now you're in a conference and you want to basically talk or do business with most of the people, at least some of the people who are around you. In that case, you want to get to know them. You want to get others to know you. So you want to give them your business card. So what this does is, through Bluetooth, through your mobile, through your Bluetooth, it just passes your business card to the others. The two basic challenges we were facing when creating this application was getting the Bluetooth to work. That's not easy, guys. And second thing, querying the contact manager in the phone. So as soon as, that was nearly impossible. So as soon as the other person gets your card, he had to tap on it, and the name, the phone number, the address, or whatever you pass through this particular mobile card had to actually automatically enter into the contact manager on the phone. Otherwise, that doesn't happen, it defeats the purpose of the application. So querying the contact manager, actually inserting a record into the contact manager was really very difficult. That's what basically this app does. Now, over to the for the technical details.
Okay, all right, before we go to the technical detail, I wanted to talk about the actual goals and ideas behind this application. I'm sure many people here have feature-rich applications that are innovative and clever, but I guarantee you if you put those applications on the Android marketplace, they'll fail. Because there's one thing that computer science students are not really all that great at, and that's usability and design. So actually from the get-go, we actually made this application, I guess you're right, from this application from a usability point of view. An application that really is something that people want to use on a daily basis. So that's the aim of this actual application.
Our project uses Bluetooth to send and receive name cards, and use preferences to store temporary name card, and use the built-in content provider to store permanent name card, and that's basically the tech that we use. We can start with it.
I'm going to do the demo. Okay, I actually should have probably got a digital image. It's going to look like crap on this phone, but whatever it is, I don't want to. All right, so as you can see here, this shows multiple cards that a user would come across and would store in the application. So as you can see, there's my name and stuff like that. And say if a user wanted to edit their preferences for their card, you go to My Preferences, you edit the information. This is a friend of mine, I'm going to put in this information. And now that you actually have the card, how do you actually use the social networking tools to do your stuff? So you click on the card, and it comes up with a list of, you can actually call them, map application, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you can press the call button, they'll call, I don't want to call Microsoft. There's Facebook, there's Twitter, and they'll do their thing. And now let's say if you want to actually send a card to another user. So you connect to a device. As you see there. Anyways, I got his card. So as you can see, it's real simple, easy to use application that you can just pass cards on to other people.
That's about it.
So you highlighted the contact and then you went to connect the device and send it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it pretty
And
much.
It's added to that list of cards that you already have.
So is there any questions, comments on the application? Like neat ways to actually add features and other stuff onto it. Oh, right. You can also delete the card by a simple gesture. So it makes deleting cards kind of pretty easy and intuitive. In terms of future technology that we could utilize or future ways we can make the application better, near field communication, I don't think anybody's ever heard of that, or if you guys have. Yeah, you can easily just tap each other's phone and pass a card onto it. That's a lot better idea. One-to-many kind of idea is, let's say a presenter wanted to give his card to everyone, just he could just send it out to everyone that's in the room. That's another idea that couldn't exactly get working because of Bluetooth limitations and so on
We
and so
spent
forth.
enough time on the contact manager, so we couldn't actually play with it quite a lot. So.
Yeah.
Do you only send your card?
Yeah, you send. Yeah, another great feature idea is to send other people's card, but as of right now, you only send your card.
Yeah, security.
We are actually, yeah, that's security, and we're actually supposing if I want to do business with you, I'd send you my card instead of you taking it from others, you know.
Yeah.
It's actually a name card exchange. If you want to connect one, you got his card, you got your card.
All right, very good. Just like you did last week, you're going to vote for which ones you think are best, excluding yourself. So, next group.